Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. My name is Kim C. If you are first timer here, please do subscribe my channel. This is the last video of this mini kitchen installation. Today this video will be installing the water tap to the water pipe to your copper pipe that the BTO supply. So in every new BTO, if you never renovate your kitchen, there will be a copper pipe come out from the wall. Check this picture, something look like that. And how do you connect this water copper pipe, add a stop valve into it and connect this to a water pipe to your water tap. So imagine this plastic is your copper water pipe, and this is the screw head. So when you want to connect this stop valve into this water pipe, you need to unscrew this. Once you unscrew this, if it's not loosened and the copper ring is intact, so you can still use it. Use the old one, and you just put some white tape and screw it back. Screw this, then you will have a stopper valve. But if you screw until like me, screw until this one broken, so you need to replace this with a new screw. So if you want to replace this, if the copper ring here stuck, just remove all the white tape and saw this copper ring diagonal 45 degrees, slowly saw and slowly take out the ring and replace it with a real ring, a new ring. Then you use your white tape. Before you put your ring inside, just put this inside first. Okay, then you put the ring. Then you put your white tape. Okay, example lah. So you roll your white tape. Okay, and then roll until it's very tight. Then you can move this back. Example lah. Don't waste my white tape. Okay, then put this back and screw it back. It's very simple if you know the basic. It's just like that. So if my explanation for this copper pipe and joining the screw nut and this copper ring is too confusing, please continue to see my video and you will understand.